$99 on sale from $139.99. Here it is right here. Jamin leather, quality pair of pants that are right there for the ladies. Now it's a basic pair of pants that's great for your, maybe stage use or for everyday use. You never know. You might want to wear it to some special occasion or some nice event there. It's also super nice, especially if you ride, you want something like this on. It's better than a pair of jeans, a little bit stronger too. It's got a 5-pocket design. It's also got the soft nylon lining, as you can see here. There we go. And it's also got lining that goes all the way down to like mid-calf right there, where my finger is. And so you can trim it to the length that you need. Check that out. And this here is a one-piece front panel. Super nice for the ladies. On sale at a steal of a price there.